Since I became a member of this Dáil February 12 months, I have to say that I've been very impressed with my party colleague here, Deputy McGrath, and I think it will be agreed on all sides of the House. He's put an extraordinary effort in relation to all areas of insurance. I also want to acknowledge Minister Murphy's sincerity in trying to deal with this issue. But the reality is the Government must take urgent action now to tackle the exorbitant motor insurance costs, as the situation is reaching epidemic levels and leaving businesses, families and indeed motorists struggling to make ends meet. I've had many calls to my constituency office, people angry, frustrated, witnessing 30, 40, 50% increase in motor insurance costs and other insurance costs. Many people are struggling to keep their heads above water, paying a mortgage, meeting exorbitant childcare costs, paying other bills while trying to put food on the table. And these increases in insurance costs only puts extra pressure on families already struggling to make ends meet. This is an issue of particular concern in rural counties like my own constituency of Roscommon, Galway, where we have a very poor public transport system, and so many people rely on the car. They need the car to bring their children to school, to get to work, to do whatever work they have to do around the place. That car is vital in rural Ireland. I've been recently contacted by one constituent whose car insurance had gone up by 30% from €560 in 2015 to over €800 in 2017. Now, this is a person with no claims, absolutely no claims, and the car is about 10 years old and is only valued at €2,000. Now, as this man pointed out, he received €5 back per week in his salary with the USC cuts, but he is now faced with rising car insurance costs as well as crippling costs of family health insurance. I can assure you, Minister, this man has no fear of anyone coming in robbing his house through the front door when they can just do it through the letterbox, and that's what's happening. Many businesses, in particular SMEs, are also experiencing massive increases in the order of 40% and higher in their premiums of motor, public liability and indeed employer liability. Just finally, a girl of 19 years of age, full licence, never any crash, first quotation €6,000. Car is worth €2,800, €6,000. Wheelchair accessible taxis were brought up before, a quotation of €12,000. A business hotel in my constituency, 20,000 insurance last year, only one small claim, gone to €50,000. €50,000. And of course we all know about health insurance and other areas of insurance. We need to address this issue, and thank you for your time.
Thank you. Deputy Brown.